We bought a PHOTON FLEX to take control of our supply chain, and we've got the cost savings to go with that. And we've managed to increase turnover and reduce costs all at the same time. We have a limited space in our factory, and the Flex, which came in at around 400 square foot, was the only one really that was feasible for our workshop space. We have the augmented reality where the nest is overlaid onto the screen and you can see exactly what process the laser is doing. We're expecting the payback time within 2 to 3 years easily. So I was really impressed with the cut quality of the machine. The edges and holes are as good as any part we've had from expert laser cutters using machines. It's great to have a British-made laser cutter in our factory. That gives us good backup. It's very easy to use, very intuitive. I am 100% happy with the investment in the PHOTON FLEX.